Welcome back to Gadget Nest. Today we're reviewing the brand new Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, a mid-range phone that promises flagship-like features without the flagship price tag. Let's see if it's the best value smartphone of 2025. The Galaxy A55 continues Samsung's sleek design language with a premium glass back, aluminum frame, and vibrant color options. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and comes with IP67 dust and water resistance. On the front, you get a gorgeous 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and full HD+ resolution. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and outdoor visibility is excellent. Powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset and up to 8 GB of RAM, the A55 handles daily tasks, social media, and even light gaming with ease. One UI 7.0, based on Android 15, keeps things smooth and feature-rich. You get a 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. Photos are sharp with great dynamic range, and low-light shots have improved thanks to better image processing. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera for crisp photos and 4K video recording. A 5,000 mAh battery keeps you going all day, and 25-watt fast charging gets you back up quickly, though, as usual, there's no charger in the box. Pros: premium design, great display, solid battery life, good cameras. Cons: no wireless charging, not the best for heavy gaming. If you want a stylish phone with excellent performance and a reasonable price, the Galaxy A55 5G should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews here on Gadget Nest.